After continuous use, your inlet strainer inside your sprayer can get blocked by debris, resulting in suction issues. In this video, you'll learn how to remove any blockage. Before getting started, you'll need a handful of tools to complete this task. The tools that you need are a utility knife and a water source, such as a garden hose. The first step is to remove the tank lid from your sprayer. Reach into your tank and take the inlet line out. Most of the time, the strainer will have white debris layered on it, a telltale sign that the strainer needs to be cleaned. With a utility knife, make a 1/4 to 1/2 inch incision on the inlet hose and remove the strainer from the hose. Next, grab a garden hose and clean off the strainer until the debris is removed. Check through the hose barb as well to make sure there isn't any remaining debris on the inside. After cleaning the strainer, reconnect to the inlet hose and drop back into your sprayer. Don't forget to close the lid. Once the inlet strainer is cleaned, you can go back to spraying. If you are in need of a new inlet strainer, you can find them at your local farm and fleet store. For additional videos, check out our YouTube page. For more general information, visit us at master-mfg.com or contact our spraying division at the toll-free number.